Right, I had to lock in then to get that all set up. Right, let's see who's in here then. Right. W Alex will be in first. Evening Alex, evening Clint, evening M4, evening Rizzle, evening Shill, evening Louis, evening Easy Days, evening Jason, evening Joe, evening Nadia, evening Gideon, evening Lorenzo, evening Chris, evening Mahadis, evening Chris, evening Musical, evening Elliot, evening Savage, evening Music's Food for the Soul, evening Lilas, evening Gideon, evening M4, evening Neil, evening Lois, evening Big H, evening Amanda, evening Mohammed, evening Aaron, evening Big Rick, evening Lorenzo, evening Lelius. Jesus. Evening RVC, evening everyone. Right. God, I almost lost my... Right, I need to crack up a can here. Hang on. Oh, well, there's more. Evening Joe, evening Stony, evening Leo, evening Lazy Queen, evening Didge, evening Easy Days. Right, I need to crack open a can now. Ready? Oh. I don't know if you can hear the sizzle actually, but don't worry, it's a sugar-free tango. We're moving down in ranks now, right? We're moving down. We're like, Monster was the bad one. Nan, we went to Lucasade, which was sugar, and now we're at 0 sugar. That's a dub. That's a dub. That is a W in the chat. Right. Anyway, let me know how everyone's days have been. Let me know how you all are. Yeah, man. Appreciate you all joining. Bro, what's this? Evening. Jason said evening 3 times. Evening Jason, ASMR, W Lotus. Jay's too popular, need to add half an hour extra to your lives to say hi to everyone. Yeah, real Lazy Queen. Oh my god, it's a changed man. Alex, I'm getting somewhere. You know? I'm getting somewhere. Right, let's write this up. Oh. 4418.9. Right, there you go. Looks like daily open's gonna hit soon. Very nice. One sec, let me set this and I'll reach out. I've got to set all this stuff up now. TP's the low. What's just happened? Um, 4417.48. Stop loss is 4418.9. And then TP we've got 4411.6. Let me recheck this. Yeah, cool. Cool. That is all set, ready to rumble. Happy days. I was gonna say not back to Monster after that talk yesterday. Nah, Joe, can't go back now. Jay, you know the markups in your chart, are they the trades you've potentially taken? Yes, they are. Yes, they are, James. Basically, James, you'll look at right. If we go through this, right. So I took this breakout. So basically, right now with the copier, the way I look at things is everything I take honestly doesn't go well, and I don't know what it is. So I'm trying to analyze why it's not going well, right? So for example, took this on live and TP'd around here, I think it was. And then I took this on live and TP'd around here. So the two ones I took on my live stream on my live account, fine. Then I went, okay, right, so I've got 2 wins here, right? 1 win here, 1 win here. So now let's look for a buy, right? Okay, an 886 buy within the Vario low, on the Vario low line with I think VWAP was there as well or something. So I took it. Took this on the copier, low risk for confidence. This got stopped out, then it ran 1R. And then I took this golden pocket here on my live, and it went well. So honestly, I genuinely do believe the copy has cursed me. There's no other reason. So yeah, that's basically. But yeah, every box normally, if a box stays for longer than like 10 minutes, I'm taking it. Well, artificial sweetener is worse than sugar, maybe. Oh, Lady Queen, behave. Do you see gold going up to 4,440? Savage, I see 4,500. I don't know when, but I do see it, yeah. I do see 4,500. Evening, Aaron. Zero sugar is worse for you. Aspartame, look it up. Drink sugar. Okay, so I've got to drink sugar now. Rare. You mark this up, bud. Is this the high impact move already? Yeah, it is M4. That's the, for example, M4. Normally what you look at is like this move here. Let's move this out of the way. So basically for the impulse move, you look at this move here and then you look how price moves, right? So we've got like this zone here. Then I look for a breakout of the zone. Here was our breakout, retest, follow the trend. That's basically daily open. So as you've seen, range, we basically ranged in here, broke out the range to the downside, cool, looking for the retest for the 886 to drop. Basically what I'll be looking at. I went a whole life without monster. I went a whole life without whole day without monster. Worst day of my life. Oh god, don't say that, Alex. Good, I need sleep. Dub. Alex, surely not. Was wondering what he was saying. Took me a while to realize he was saying evening in name. Oh god. Please move the sell limit to 4422, brother. Please. Why? Why there? Oh, are you talking about the 886? Yeah, but I can't. Musical. You've been in the lives. I can't move it. It doesn't work like that. My strategy doesn't work like that. But I do see. Oh, I would have 4420 if I went off. What's it called? If I went off 886 there. But yeah. No, I'm messing. I did want to cry though. You got to trade on your live plus on copy, otherwise results are different. What do you mean, Tinson? Alex. Evening, Robski. Stop drinking liquids. Full stop. Go fully water. Go fully Waterade. Advert people. Volvic is the way. You know what? I actually quite like the Volvic flavoured water, the cherry one. That one's nice. And also the summer fruits. I think that one's good. What is the best monster flavour? Let me know in the chat what the best monster flavour is for you lot. But, in my opinion, top 3, you got Pipeline Punch. That's up there. White Monster. That's up there. So Pipeline Punch, White Monster, and... Let's go for a rogue one. Let's go for a rogue one in the third spot. Right, no. What we'll do, let me know your lists. We'll go top 2. So top 2 monsters that you think are the top 2. And then you'll go a rogue monster that is like a rogue monster that not many people like, but you think's good. So my list is top 2, Pipeline Punch and White Monster. And a monster that I think people genuinely don't, a monster I think people genuinely don't like, but if they like, for people that like it, will like it, is Grape. I think Grape Monster's good. Evening, Simon. Evening, Chuko. What is the retracement tool you're using? Aaron, this is called a Fibonacci retracement. Evening, Philco. Just eat salt, guys. Gosh. Okay, Alex. What about entry at 4426, SL 4429? Lilas, if that is your strategy, then use it. I always say, like, never, if it's gonna work, like, if that's what your strategy's saying, do it, bro. For me, my strategy's saying sell from there, so that's why I'm doing it. I'll keep these trend lines on, but I'll get rid of this actually. Let's I'll keep this sell on actually. Right, we can actually mark up after daily open hits. We can mark up. I think daily open will hit soon, so that'll be all good. Where's 1 hour on this bad boy? There, happy days. Cool. 4.2R that's going to be. Sound. Right. Original. For me it's the wait, RVC original. For me it's the pink one. Yeah, Pipeline Punch. Can't type how, so water isn't a liquid now. Need to go back to GCSE physics. I do. Oh god. The new salted caramel coffee is banging. Aaron, that is a good monster. W Aaron. They're all ass. Flavors Red Bull is goated. Easy days. Nah, bro. White original on Pipeline. You know what? I hear it, Alex. This guy knows ball. This guy knows ball. CAD CPI tonight. What's your thoughts? Gold Rush. Not gonna lie, I don't really care that much about CAD CPI. I'll wait for it to come out, and then, you know, if it comes out and affects the dollar, I'll reanalyze. But for the most of it, I don't really think much will happen. To be fair, I'm hoping. Well, by I don't really think. I'm hoping. But yeah. I mean, look. If you look at CAD CPI generally, recently it's been down every time. So basically, if you look at patterns in price, if it's gone down 4 times, if it's gone down 5 times out of the 6 times it's came out recently, what's most likely is going to happen? It's going to go below. It's going to go below its forecast again. So yeah, that's genuinely what I think. Chaotic. Oh, Sean, actually, that's a good one. Actually, you know what? That's actually goated. Sean, that's goated. That's actually goated. Salted caramel seems interesting. Salted caramel is good. Pipeline Punch Pacific Punch is good. Apple. Oh my god, Apple is no. Louis, no. Apple is not it. Apple is awful. You know what? I'd go as far to say, yeah. What's it called? That Apple is the worst monster of all time. I actually will go that far to say Apple might be the worst monster of all time. Actually might. But yeah, Pacific Punch, I forgot about that. That's a nice one. What's your Insta name? Mohammed, if you go on Instagram and type up JLapthorn, my account's private, I think. Just request me and I'll accept you. Why is it so different to mine? Aaron, it'll be in your settings. That's my settings. Oh. Yeah, it'll be because your settings are different to mine. Don't drink any monsters, only coffee and Volvic. Jason, bro. Damn, I gotta try all these flavors now. Go on, Los Blancos. Wait, no, don't. Oh god, I'm getting carried away. No, don't live in. Don't give in. Okay, no, all good. Lilas, all good. Cider vinegar in the morning. Ooh. Evening, Bridge. I'm good. How are you, Bridge? How are you? W Bridge, man. At Jason with the mother. Low-key milk is a top 3 drink. You know, it's actually, bro, milk is like multi-usable though, isn't it? Like milk's got like, for example, you can use milk with like cereal and that. Like it's multi-use, bro. I'm in sales from 4425. Nice, Jason. Love milk. I love milk as well. Flavors give me a bad stomach. I'm a Red Bull guy, original or watermelon. I've never had watermelon. Watermelon Red Bull. What I have had though is original. Original's actually nice. Oh yes, just had a glass of milk too. Dub. Chocolate milk, any of the UFit 50-gram protein shakes are a dub. Nah, I agree. Come on now, Red Bull is a more expensive monster. It is, Alex, it is. Lewis, ooh, Fairs. Fairs with the Lewis Hamilton monster. Ooh, wait, why is he actually like cooked there? Let him cook. Let him cook a little bit. Lewis Hamilton monster's actually alright. I'll let him cook there. Mate, it actually is banging as well, the Lewis Hamilton. Everyone knows that red wine is the GOAT, but none can't drink it all day and school mums in the state look down on it. You know what, red wine's a banger. Ladies Queen, what's it called? A little like, what's it called? Like golden nugget? Is it a golden nugget? Or like a little like a bit of backstory about me. I used to work in a wine library, and I used to be what's it called? I used to do I do wine connoisseur stuff. Just saying, Lazy Queen. Just saying. Kind of locked in on wine. W Bridge, man. The Lewis Hamilton Red Limited was elite for real. What's the limits, bro? Back of there on screen. They're on screen here. Oh my god, everyone follow Jay. Oh god, Jesus. Oh god. I've just gave away my Instagram and I'm gonna get about 50 requests. Thanks for the encouragement, gonna try them all. Oh god, Los Blancos, please don't die. Los Blancos, if you're gonna try them, don't try them all at once. That's all I'll say. Except for God Entry, me too, Bridge. Rum and Coke morning, evening, and night. Oh, Rum and Coke's a banger. Rum and Coke's actually insane, isn't it? Like, so good. Rum and Coke's like sensational. Top one drink. If you're gonna go on a night out, yeah, Rum and Coke's the way. Or like, oh my god, Coke and Disaronno. I bought a Yazoo banging milk drink. Ooh. I don't think. Wait. Oh god, is this gonna look bad? I don't think I've ever had a Yazoo. Milk is the GOAT for real. Gold is gonna punch high, I reckon. Ash, it could do. It could do. What's stopping you putting Monster in your cereal? Oh god. Subscribe, W Spencer, man. W Spencer in the chat for subscribing, man. But RVC, I'm not putting Monster. What's it called? I'm not putting. I do still look for it now and again. You're right, Lazy Queen, just drink alcohol. Let's take this back to medieval. I agree. These lives are brain stimming. Love this. It's midnight and we're chatting about milk and Monster. What is trading anyway? Bro, trading's boring, Louis. What even is that? That's an L thing. L like what do you even bring up? Just a bit of advice. My 50k instant is 4,200 in profit. Need another 1.2% to fulfill the 20% consistency. Do I ask for a payout for the whole profit or should I have a buffer? Dig, it depends what fund account you're using. Because for example, right? Depending on what what's it called? Depending on what fund account it is, you might request a payout and then you'll need a buffer, or you won't thing. Or don't request the whole thing and leave the buffer. That's it. So basically, just request the whole thing or don't request the whole thing. But make sure you look at the rules. If I know if you need to leave a buffer, leave like quite a big buffer as well. That's what I do. Sell to 4,100. I bloody hope so, AJ. What's the yellow lines? Backer, that's just a golden pocket. That's just my Fibonacci tool. Is that a professional alcoholic, Dub? This J guy knows ball. Agreed. I'm in buys at 4,409 to 4,440. Fair enough, Savage. Jameson and Coke whiskey though. Oh, I do like a whiskey though. Whiskey's very like it depends though, isn't it? Like it depends. Whiskey's one of those drinks where like it needs to be a right like time to use it, if that makes sense. Like for example, you're not gonna go have a whiskey like just going out and out to club. You can have a whiskey if you're having like a talk with like, you know, one of your best mates or like your girlfriend's dad or something. Do you know what I mean? If you want a really bad time, drink Sambuca. Oh god. What else is there to chat about really? Cereal, orange juice. Oh, orange juice. Did someone say orange juice? Hang on. Hang on, chat. Wait, what orange juice did we go on? Chat. Look at the orange juice. Imagine we got tagged in there. If we got tagged in that, orange juice would have cooked. 170 people in the chat. Double click Jay's face and like up the live. Give the guy some credit. W Lazy Queen, man. Yeah, like the live up, guys. Like the live up. Subscribe if you're new. W chat. Can't be a glass of Bailey's with that. Ooh, RVC. Tell them. Could we buy from here to your sell limit? I don't know, Backer. I can't really say yes because I don't want to say yes because if I say yes and it goes wrong, I'm at fault for that. So I'm not going to say yes, but I'm going to say I want price to come up to my sell level. That's what I'm going to say. Bourbon and Coke for me does it. What? A Bourbon and Coke, huh? I wouldn't back as the sell limit is. Yeah, exactly. Backer, I want price to come to my level. I want price to come to my sell level. 100 million, trillion, billion%. I want it to come to my level. However, I'm not saying it will. I'm not saying it will come to my level. That's all. Old fashioned, good. Oh, I love old fashioned, Ian. W, Ian. Johnny Walker Blue Label Scotch. Get yourself some of that, mate. Ooh, I've never had that actually. You know what, Jay? Let's spice things up. How's apple juice doing, bro? I don't know if is apple juice even a thing on here. Is apple juice actually a thing? No, it's actually not. You can trade apple, but you can't trade apple. You actually can't trade apple juice. Like orange juice is the one, G. Look at this is what you call, right, dominated orange juice. Our limit was that good, it ran away. Our limit was that good, yeah. It ran away from us. Like, bro. L. Double orange juice. Right, let's look at. Oh, hang on, chat. Our S&P 500's been tagged. Whoa. I did not expect S&P 500 to tag right here, right now. You know what, though? Look at these rejections. This area is actually really nice. Oh my god, look at these wicks as well on entry. Where's 1R on this? 1R's there. Let's see if this runs 1R. This pullback's so nice though. Really nice pullback on S&P. Really nice pullback. If you're not in this, I'd actually... We're bottoming out as well. If you're not in this, I'd actually say, like, this looks really good. I might put, like, a little one in on the copier. What would S&P 500 be called on here? Here she is, SP 500. Good boy. Here we go. Let me get her up on me chart then. SP 500, here she is. Right. Where is stop loss? 774. 7742.94. 7754.33. Oh, it's literally the same. 42.94. What's the Fu Manchu looking like here? Oh, she's curving on that. Curving on that. Do we have momentum on this? Oh, we do. Oh, this buy looks very nice now. Right, that's love it. Holy, how many people just typed? I don't drink. Followed all 3 of your accounts, Jay. Oh God, please no, please no, bro. I'm gonna go on Instagram and be like, no. Jesus. I drink hot whiskey when I'm sick. Pretty much the only time. Nice, obviously. Does that actually work though? Orange juice. Hi Jay. Hello Bella. How are you? You guys are all alcoholics. May Christ be with you, Jesus. That's fruitiest lawsuit incoming. Frozen orange juice, please. Love a bit of trading places. Gold got smacked down by point of control. Yeah, it did. I meet Christ when I drink. Oh my God. Gold took a low. Yeah, we'll have a look at that now. We'll have a look now. Here we go. Can we all short so I can get some cheap Tropicana, bro? Is Christ the barman at your local, Alex? New loaf. Yeah, I've seen that. How did you know, Lady Queen? You must be a stalker. Oh my God. Oh, bro. Right. This is now 2.5. Stop loss is now 0.09, and then TP will be 0.6. Nice. Looks very nice now. Very nice. What the market, bro? Tanks. What do you mean, Benya? Always a stalker, never a local. Dub. Spreads are huge for me. Oh, really? I know I saw someone in my window yesterday, you cheeky. Oh, what's happening in the chat? Oh. What indicator is this? What do you mean M4? Which one? What do you think to the new paint? Nice, right? Oh God. Can we enter now? Same as US 500. Love a bit of window snooping, the entry. Jay, what indicator is this? I need to check spreads. I'll leave the window open for you next time. And some mince pies on the fire. What? Quick question. Would you recommend working in the UK coming from Africa? Jason, I would not. And I'll tell you why I wouldn't, right? So, to buy a place in the UK, you're about to, oh, for US 500. Wait, what indicator? What do you mean? What do you mean, what indicator? Do you mean like what chart? It's Vantage chart. It's Vantage chart. It's yeah, Baz, I have entered, yeah. Just call me Lazy Claws. Me and Lazy have J so yeah, I am, bro. Like what? You in that trade? I am Jason. Yeah, I am in this S&P 500 trade. I do think it looks good. I do think it looks very good. If you go on here as well, you can see here, right? Fu Manchu on the 5 minute, right? I'll show you this. So we've got money flow coming to the upside. We've got VWAP divergences here. We've got actually 2 back to back there, and then we've also got one here, like this. And then if you go on the 3 minute, same thing again. Money flow coming to the upside. VWAP divergences. Another one here. So 3 minute, 5 minute, perfect, and then 1 minute, as you can see. If ignore like all the white squiggly lines, right? But as you can see, look at like momentum. We've got wave momentum going to the upside as well, whilst money flows curve into the upside. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking at on S&P, and it looks really nice. But if you don't understand that, one sec, let me get rid of all the squiggly lines, and I'll show you the 1 minute again. This is the 1 minute. Waves started from this low here, pushing up. We've got momentum pushing to the upside. There you go. So yeah, that's why I've entered this. I've got every confirmation I'm looking for with an entry. So yeah, hoping we push up in Asia, and then yeah, see what happens. See what happens with this trade. But it looks really nice. And to be fair, seeing us bottom out here is very nice as well. Like go on the 30 minute. Go on the 30 minute. We've also got I've just put the wrong indicator on this. There you go. Oh my god, wait, I've still got the indicator on here. How have I got the indicator on here? Is the indicator still there? Oh, if it is already. But anyway, if we go on here and go on the 30 minute look, can you see how like we've made this deep wave, and now we're coming to the upside as well. So even the 30 minutes pushing to the upside, do you know what I mean? So looks nice. BTC analysis. I will look at it now. Bitcoin. I've got you my decor with BTC analysis. Let's have a look. Low key, Bitcoin, if you buy soon, it will look alright. Wait, Bitcoin's got like a really nice bull flag now. Hang on. Right, my Bitcoin analysis would be, as soon as we get a breakout of this bullish pennant buy, literally, my decor, literally do this. Buy on the retest of this. So wait for a breakout of this bullish pennant. As you can see here, we've got like some weird range kind of thing. But if you look on the 1 minute, see how we got like this bullish pennant here. Literally wait for the breakout of this, buy on the retest, and then fly. That's what my analysis would be on BTC. Stop at this low here, then target the high like this. That's what I'd do on Bitcoin. Looks very good. Excuse me, lazy claws. This is business. Okay, sorry, just joined. Just come back from watching James in Manchester. James who? Bazza? I'm gonna change my name on Discord to Lazy Claws in December. Oh god. I'm Ryzen 4410 SL to BE or T SL. Whoa. Wait, what? Your advice from where? Oh, here it comes. I hope I think she's coming now. One hour's there now. 4410. I'd have, honestly, backer, just go B and hold it. I would. Oh my god, do it. 0161 bat on the map. I want all the mince pies and all the whiskey. Lol, James who? Jesus Christ. What? Who's performing in Manchester? I don't know. You can't have it all. I want some. Looks like a bull flag on gold. I don't know actually. Maybe. Potentially, yeah. It's more like a downward channel though, isn't it? Like there's just downward channel to break out of, yeah. Did you increase your... Yeah, I did, Gideon. It took a new low. It took a new low, that's why. The band James OF. Oh, sit down. I don't know what that is. Who is James? Wait, he's called James who? No idea. Okay, we can share it, but I'm going down the chimneys. You can carry the presents. James the band. Who's that? So should I still enter your sell? Or backer, if you're in profit, there's no point entering the sell, is there? That's what I always say. Switch to the 15-minute, Jay. Okay. Let him cook. Ooh, actually, yeah. Wait, Daily Open could kind of line up with this as well. Hang on. Chat. Daily Open lining up with the bull flag. This would be aura. Taps that. You bearish? AO, not really. AO, I'm kind of neutral now. If you look at neutral to bullish on gold. I mean, if you look at like what the last bit of price action, we're just mincing about in this area now. I mean, these trend lines mean nothing now because we've just got this massive range. So yeah, just mincing around in gold. Very neutral right now. Very neutral. There you go. Don't tell me you never heard it. You've got a deal, Leeds. I'll train really hard until December so I can lift all the presents. W Alex. But yeah, AU, not gonna lie, I'm just neutral right now. I'll wait until the CAD CPI comes out because that will probably, hopefully, that will tell us something. But right now, my daily open is saying it's bearish, so I'm going bearish on gold. The band is called James 1990s. Oh. Yeah, no, never heard of them. What's there like? Would I know a song? James in 1976, written and performed by Billy Joel. Wait. James Band songs. Sit Down. Top hits of fanfare. Sit Down. Let's listen to Sit Down. I want the lyrics. I don't know if I can play it. I don't want to get like, what's it called? I don't want to get like copyright or anything. Never heard of these, man. I was gonna start like playing like what's it called? I was gonna start like playing it on YouTube, and then I realized, bro, I could get copyrighted. Imagine that I get copyrighted by them. No. Alex, we're now a bit dub. What should we call our amazing business? Did you not get the link, Jay? I actually linked you the song as well. Wait, really? Wait, Lazy Queen, where? Where did you send it to me? Did you send it to me on Discord, did you? Let me see. Wait, Lazy Queen, where have you sent me the link? I'm actually intrigued on this now. Greg Sell was at 4438. Oh yeah, he had one what's it called? He had one, didn't he, signaled. Musical, I've read your chat about 15 times. I know that's what you think. You have so heard of them, yes, sit down. Yeah, Jay, getting banned for copyright infringement. Sit down, drink, stand up, drink, pass out, drink, faded. Give them a try later. You know what, Bazza? After the live, yeah, I'm gonna link you. Oh my god, Jay, you have. I'm gonna link you in Discord. No, on YouTube, but I think it deleted the link. I'll send it now. I'll send it on Discord now. Right. I'm gonna listen to it, lead screen, alright? On Discord right now. Right, hang on. I need to listen to it quietly though, because I don't really want to like get in the way. I don't want the mic to hear it just in case I get copyrighted. One second. Wait, let me skip it. Someone know. I don't know who that is. I've never heard that song in my life. But yeah, never heard of it. Sit down next to me. I don't know all that. Might want to mute before you become banned, Trades. And that's it. Jay's getting banned, guys. Bro, if anyone heard that, you're lying. You didn't hear it. You had nothing. You had niche. You had absolute niche. That was nothing, mate. Oh, I need to set this limit. Whoopsies. Whoopsies, whoopsie, whoop. Oh, I've just... God's sake, I've gone on the wrong thing here. Right, there's that one, and then I need to go on here and do it on here. Cool. And then TP at the low. Happy with that. Sorted. Everything is sorted. I'm excited for this now. Alex, I don't know. You need a name before we can start our business. Lazy Claus and Alex doesn't have the right ring to it that we need. W Bridge, good luck. W Philco, hi, he's getting banned because he doesn't know who James are. I caught 160 pip move in XAUSD POC on the stag volume. Help me. Nice, Saunus. Nice. How about ColezTrades limit lazy? Ooh. Near to enter gold. Yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens with gold. Before your time. Yeah, it is. I think that's perfect. W Bridge. Sorry, mate. I'm late to the party. Have I missed it? No, it's just hit. Martin, it's just hit. I'm in. Dub Simon. But yeah, we'll see what happens with the daily open. We'll see. Always. Yeah, we'll see what happens. We will see what happens again. Because right now, this month, daily open's been very, very off and on. Very off and on. But yeah. I'm excited to see what happens with daily open. I'm tapped. W Lazy Queen. Gold tagged me in. Dub. Nice reaction. Yeah, was nice. Was nice. We'll see what happens. Any tips for the consolidation sideways movement in market? Stay out of it. Try to get some trading. Saunus, my tip with that would be to right. So there's a thing I use called the fixed range volume profile. So it looks like this. And what it does is it basically, let me show you in the 1 minute. It'll be easier. Be easier to show in the 1 minute. So you've got a range like this, right? It can tell. Well, it doesn't tell you when, but it can tell you. Basically, say you've got a range in market and use a fixed range volume profile and pull it across the range like this. It gives you entry points. So like, for example, here's our low, here's our high, and these white lines. So this white line here and this white line here. These can be your entry points to target. So for example, this could be a sell back into the range. This could be a buy back into the range. So yeah, Saunus, that's what my advice would be with a range of market. Always look at, like, for example, like what's the word, like how to like utilize and put market and like price action into the way you can understand it. So for example, here, like this, something like this, market like this, you can then see, cool, so this is this over this whole range. And as you can see here, we've came down into the value area low, pushed up into the range, and when we came to the outside, we pushed back down, if that makes sense. So that would be my advice for a ranger market. Just identify value area lows and highs, and then enter, and then look to enter either one. Oh. Let's see if daily open does its thing or not. By the looks of things, it probably won't. But look, that is the thing with daily open. It can be the best or nothing. Blimey, that old already. Still got to retire first. Lazy. I need to look at Karam to Friday Jesus. So yeah, how long are you going to tease us with your video release date, Chris? Me and Adam are still working on releasing it into Discord, to be honest. And to be fair, like integrating stuff into Discord is just long. So yeah, we're still working on that, but it will, Chris. It will come out. Don't worry. It will come out. And for example, everyone that's had VIP and all this stuff, it's not going to change for you. It's like you can easily use it, and it will be fine. All right. It's all good. It's all chill. Don't worry about it. About in the stop loss, you're like, it's not looking good, Brev. The kids already finished college. Nice. Only used the AVP volume 1 so far. Now I know what static 1 is used for. Thanks. All good, Sauna. So yeah, fixed volume range profile is very good for identifying just like the high points of the range and the low points of the range. You pair that with something that you use, like for example, you can pair it with VWAP, pair it with Fibonacci retracement, pair it with other things. But yeah, you can pair it with stuff, and then when you pair it with these things, that gives you a strategy, and then there you go. Fixed range volume profile into your strat with VWAP or Fibonacci, you're good to go with a strat. Backtest it, look at results. If it works, then go for it, isn't it? I'm retiring on Wednesday, hoping the kids get a job Thursday to pay for my care home. Lazy queen, man. Easy shit is fine, everything is fine here. Well, we haven't hit stop loss yet, so yeah, it looks okay. Lord of the Rings came out quicker than this. Oh my god. You know what, Chris? That is a lie. How's the sell looking? Backer, it looks okay. It looks okay. I mean, we've minced about in stop loss, haven't took the high, which is good. Yeah, pushing down now. Looks nice, but look, and nothing looks good until it hits 1R. So yeah, that's my opinion on it. It looks okay. Haha, how come GTA 6 was faster? Go down gold. Oh my god, we got GTA 6 before Jay's video. Well, no, wait, hang on. No, we haven't. GTA 6 ain't come out yet. Don't give me that. Alex, don't give me that. GTA 6 has not come out before my videos. Whoa. There are some videos out there as well on my YouTube. It's not like I've starved you. Still got a couple of videos on there. Don't worry about that. I'm in trade and enjoy W Bridge, man. Lazy Queen's laughing. Oh yeah, everyone laugh it up. Laugh it up. Bro. W Bridge in the chat, man. W Bridge. But yeah, let's see what this does. Hopefully we get that pushed down. If not, it isn't meant to be. But that's the thing with daily open. Sometimes it's just not meant to be, man. But yeah. Make sure you guys like up the live as well. Like up the live, subscribe if you're new, and yeah, man, let's hope this hits 1R and we'll be running. Everyone trust in the sell. Stop being negative Nancy's. Put those positive thoughts out there. You know what, Ladies Queen? I'm positive. But this is the thing with like trading. You've just gotta like be numb to it. Like just be numb to it. Like this, for example, this strategy, it works. And if it hits stop loss, that is completely fine. Because I know it's gonna work. So what price is 1R? 1R is, I will put on here bridge for you. There you go. 4415.42. Positive poppies only. W Alex, man. I'm praying to the trading gods. Jesus. Okay, easy days. Whoa. Is there trading gods? I wish there was. Is there a reason you trade at midnight? London market was slow today, so I made my trades in New York. So, Soreness, the reason I trade at midnight is because I trade around 11 p.m. to midnight ish, around there, and that's because this strategy I've analyzed it and made it into the strategy it is here, and yeah, there's a reason it's called the daily open strat because this is what I do, like I do it here. So yeah, I just do it on this. That is basically the reason I do my trades live, because I've basically just made a strategy for 11 p.m. like daily open. It's called the daily open because market opens, less volatility, and then yeah, man, looked okay, but look, now it's retraced and it'll probably tag us out there, to be fair. So is what it is. That is the beauty of the daily open. There is a trading devil and his name is Donald Trump. Exactly, brother. Let me see if it's tagged us out on the copy. Yeah, it tagged us out on the copy. Long day. But this is the thing, like my stop loss there. This is how annoying the copier is. Our stop loss on the copier was £24, but then it takes out £31. About right. So yeah, another unlucky one. I mean, I'm gonna leave this on my chart because every time I leave it on my chart, it will come back down, and I'll be like, right. So I like that. There was a trading devil. His name is Donald Trump. Yeah, real RIP. Yeah, is what it is. I like volatility, but only when it helps me get wins. Soreness, I agree. I like when it's volatile, but then when it tags me out stop loss, I'm like, oh. Tapped out. That's the way. Exactly. Watching you for a few weeks, it seems like a rubbish strat. Mango, it did last month. It did over 45R, which is if you risk £1,000 makes you back 45k. So couldn't be that rubbish unless you know a strat that does more than 45R. But yeah, someone said about the the bull flag thing. So what's it called? Yeah, someone said about the bull flag thing. That actually worked out, which is nice. So whoever bought should have seen it in June and July. Yeah, exactly. June and July, I think it did over 30R, both of them. The daily open, I think it did 30R plus 30R on both, which is crazy. Yeah, we're up. Let me check. One sec. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, all the daily opens I've taken. Right, hang on. All the daily opens I've taken this month, I'm up. I'm up on daily open. What? How is that even right? We've had 2 daily open wins and 6 losses. That's what I've got, and 2 break evens. That's what I've got this month. 2 break. Wait, let me check. Hang on. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Yeah, so we've took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've took 9 daily opens, and we've lost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We lost 6. Had 2 break evens and 1, 2. Hit TP with 2. So that's like 2R. We're up 2R on daily open right now. So yeah. When something exactly. Remember 4-4-4-4-2-2. Okay. Ban leads queen right now. Daily opens cook late. Yeah, Lewis has been. Lewis hasn't. It hasn't. What's it called? What's it called? Lewis. Yeah. It's this month. It's just been. It hasn't won as much as it usually does. Is what it is. Alex, my sidekick, dude. Who's gonna carry my presents? Oh God, we are cooked. Carlton. Oh, I'm the sidekick. Am I? I'm going all the lifting. That's it. That's it. Perma ban Lazy Queen. Doing well. I dropped a sub. We'll check out some of your videos tomorrow. As I'm always looking for. Nice, Saunus, nice. Still waiting for Greg Sell. Yeah, see what Greg Sell does. W Bridge. Alex, don't be like that. There can only be six daily opens, 1, 2, hit 2 break evens. So yeah, M4, you might just be the bad charm. No, I'm joking. M4, you know I'm joking, brother. Honestly, that's just trading, isn't it? You missed 2. I think the 2 live streams you've missed M4. Fair enough, Carlton. Carlton, if it doesn't work for you. By the way, this will happen, Carlton. You will miss the next live stream and TP will hit. My ego is shattered. Wait, what? My ego is shattered. Permaban Lazy Queen. Permaban Lazy Claws. Yeah, L Lazy Queen, for real. US 500 is going good, is it? Yeah, she's off, look. Very nice. Yeah, I'm gonna be holding M4. This is like a swing buy. I wanna hold for a new high really here. As you can see here, I'll wait for 1R, set break even at 1R, and then just hold it for ages. So yeah, it looks really nice. To be fair, S&P 500 looks really nice right now. Looks very nice. Very nice impulse move as well. To the upside off this buy. Perfection. What of your EJ? Oh, forgot about that. I've still got this buy them on EJ. Yeah, Gideon's still there. Still sitting there. Still looks good. We'll wait for it to come down. I want to see if did I mark up anything else? German 40. Oh, we're currently in our German 40 limit right now. So let's see. Okay, we can be equals, Alex, but you need to sort your name out. Let me know, yeah. Meanwhile, I'm taking auditions for a sidekick extra. Any other markups? Gideon, we got this. I'll probably come back to this after Asia, see what happens, but I haven't took this. I'll probably leave this. The only trade, right, you should be in right now is this S&P. This S&P is the only trade you should be in. And we're looking at like a swing buy. This ain't going to be like some like, it's going to happen in 1 minute. Like this, we're holding this for ages. I want to see all-time high off this. I want to literally all-time high. All-time high is 7.8R. So yeah. I have the data chat, as I know. I still have a buy open from 443, so hoping gold takes a new high to make some money. Nice. Nice M4, lovely. Good to hear. Good to see you cooking, man. Night Carlton. But yeah, guys, appreciate you all joining as always. Appreciate you all joining the live. And yeah, man, I'll see you in New York tomorrow. W in the chat, W everyone, join in. Honestly, all these like what's the word? Like all the wins we've got recently, we're kind of just hitting like this patch of like losing and winning, and that's completely fine. Like, this is the lovely great thing about what's it called? About trading. Like, you can have really good months, like done over ATR like last 2 months, but this month we've just sat around break even. But yeah, it's long, but it is what it is. It is what it is, and hopefully gold doesn't drop through the floor now, because if it does, I'll start crashing out again. But hopefully it pushes to the upside. So yeah, man. Appreciate you all joining. I've got something to say. If you're afraid of losing tradings, 100%, Alex. I agree. I mean, look, it tagged our daily open, right? Ran decent, reversed. It's what it is. Like, it looks good, and then it reverses. That's the story of us, to be fair. That is the story of daily open at the moment, and that is completely fine. So yeah, we will get a few wins. I mean, look, we're up 2R on the daily open, so that's calm. Like I'm not fussed about it. We're still profiting on that. So yeah. And the month's not finished. We've still got ages to go. But yeah. Anyway, appreciate you all joining. I'll see you all tomorrow for New York. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. All right. Right. Who was in here? In a bit Gideon. In a bit M4. In a bit Alex. In a bit Carlton. In a bit Lilas. In a bit Musical. In a bit Lazy Queen. Ash. Big Rick. Who else was in here? Bridge. Solnus. Lewis, Jason, Lazy Queen, Gideon, Ash, Mango, Stony, Easy. Who else was in here? But yeah, I'll see you all in a bit. All right, peace.